Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the iLovePDF desktop app version or the mobile app version. So let's get started. Now, the desktop app is ideal for regularly working with PDFs and if you want faster processing directly on your computer. Now, you can also use the Android application or the iOS application, that means the mobile application, just by downloading it from the store according to your device. Now to begin, you're gonna have to download the app either from the official iLovePDF desktop page, or you can download this from the Microsoft Store. As you can see here, this is the Microsoft Store app page. Once you access your computer, you can download this from here. Now once you download it, you're gonna launch it. It's very similar to the mobile version. As you can see here, you're gonna open it and simply you're gonna select a tool and add your file and configure the settings. You're gonna go and access the tools here. You're gonna choose, for example, split PDFs. Then you're gonna choose a PDF from your device manager. You're gonna click on next, and then you're gonna have to edit the settings here. You're gonna split by ranges, fixed ranges. This is an example for splitting PDFs. You can select other PDFs and use them. Now once you configure the settings, you're gonna click on the process or click on the split PDF once you choose all the informations. And many users prefer the desktop version because it handles files more easily, processes documents locally, and provides smoother workflow. Another huge tip is keeping your file organized in folders before starting large PDF projects. And finally, if you frequently edit PDFs, the desktop app can save you a lot of time. And that's it. Now you know how to use the iLovePDF desktop app. And if this tutorial helped you, leave a like and subscribe and comment below the video which PDF tool you use the most. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.